Can y'all believe it is the middle of July already? I am just blown away by how fast this summer is flying by. I'm seriously, like, the kids here in Georgia don't have much longer before they start back school, which is so sad because I've enjoyed this summer so much with my kids. But this is a fun week with 31 for a couple of reasons. Number one, my week 8 celebration sale will start tomorrow morning at 8:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on my website. So I'm going to show you all of the items that are starting tomorrow in my sale. But it's also another exciting week because in our 31 world, we call it our pink bubble. It is actually our national conference this weekend. So it'll start Friday night. So you'll see if you're on the road anywhere from maybe Georgia to Tennessee or anywhere, anybody that's driving, you may see some 31 ladies on their way, or the airport is going to be full of 31 ladies, me being one of them. So I'm super excited about conference, and it's basically the biggest party of the year for us 31 consultants. And as you can tell, I have my team shirt on. Radiant Rubies is the name of my 31 team. And actually one of the ladies on my team, Miss Amy, her daughter designed our t-shirts. I mean, these are so fun. She did such an amazing job. So we're Radiant Rubies, because if you know the 31 mission, it comes from Proverbs 31 in the Bible, where it talks about, the virtuous woman and how her price is far above rubies. So I knew my team name, I wanted to include the word rubies in there somewhere. And my mom's name, her first name is actually Ruby. She doesn't go by that, but I wanted to include that in there as well. So that's where I got my team name from. But anyways, so I'm super excited about conference, and I'm going to be taking tons of pictures, and I want to take some video clips, and I actually want to make a little slideshow of conference this year, so be on the lookout on my YouTube channel for that. So anyways, we're gonna get started. So week celebration 8 celebration starts tomorrow morning. So some of the items that are in the sale. So we have the Mermaid Snacker. Do you guys remember the Mermaid Snacker? And we have the fold-away tote, okay? So this little snacker is super cute. Super cute. It has a little mermaid tail on there. This does zip close here, and it is thermal lined. So you guys can see that I have grapes in here. So my little girl, if you're in my customer group, then tomorrow or tonight, you will see how my little girl uses these. She loves these little snackers. So they're so fun for the summertime. But they are thermal lined, so you can put food directly in here. They are food safe. If it gets sticky or dirty, all I do is just rinse it in the sink with some Dawn dish detergent, maybe even let it soak if you need to, and then just hang it upside down to dry. So these are so fun. This is the Mermaid Snacker. Okay, this is $8, okay? So these are so fun. Even if you're going ahead and shopping for Christmas, get your hands on these and maybe put them in stockings or however you'd like. So this is the Mermaid Snacker. Then we have the Mermaid Fold-Away Tote. So you see this little tote right here? It doesn't look like a tote, does it? But it folds up in here, and it's called the fold-away tote, and it's in the mermaid print. So what you do is you just slide this little bead up the string just like this, okay? Then you're going to open this up back here, and then you're going to pull out a bag. So this is so fun. Let me just kind of fluff it up here. So this is a little bag. How adorable. And then you have the little icon on the outside. So the little mermaid icon on the outside of the bag. So this is super cute. So I just want to show you what you could use this for. So if you're, we're in our cars and we always need a bag, but we don't have room for bags sometimes. So this is perfect to fit in your car if you just need a little extra bag. This is great. My little girl used this at the beach where she could carry her own things, and she loved that, and she loved this little mermaid bag. So what you could do is you could put one of our 31 towels in here, and actually this towel was that started in the sale last week, and as of today it's still there. So get your hands on these towels. So you could put a towel in here, and then I also have a little beach bucket. So I'm going to throw that little beach bucket in there, and as you can see, it fits all of that in there. So this is super fun for the kids. So this is the fold-away tote. In this sale, this is going to be $10. So deeply, deeply discounted. So $10 for that fold-away tote in the mermaid, and then $8 for the little snacker. All right. The next item I have in this sale is another towel. So last week we had the Lauda Colada towels with the what do you call it, pineapples on there. And then at the bottom, you guys can see, at the bottom of the towel is like a navy strip. So you can personalize your towels with a name, with even, you could even put a pineapple monogram on there. This is super cute. So, but in the sale tomorrow is our Starfish towel. And like I said, the bottom can be personalized right here. So if you get several towels, you can actually personalize them with the name. So everybody has their own towel. Nobody's grabbing somebody else's towel. But these towels, I have it hanging down to the ground. So let's see, it's touching the ground and it comes up to right here on me. So they're very, very tall. They're a great size. I've got my arms stretched both out as far as they'll go. So I love these towels. Actually, these towels have replaced all of my old beach towels. I do not have any of those anymore. I have all 31 towels. They soak up water. We adore them. And for $10 in the sale, you cannot beat that. So this is the Summer Days towel. This is in the Starfish print. And some of the Starfish, I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if I can pull up one closer. They have little accents of turquoise. So if you did want to personalize down here, I would highly suggest personalize in white or in turquoise, true turquoise thread color. So next we have the Sand and Shore Thermal Tote, okay? In this sale, as you guys know, sometimes I don't have everything in the print that it comes in, but in this sale, this Sand and Shore Thermal Tote is going to come in the Starfish print. So get your Starfish Sand and Shore Thermal Tote along with your Starfish towel, okay? So imagine that with me. These are both going to match. They're not matching right now, but they will match when you have them. Okay, so I'm going to show you why this is so awesome. This is what we call the Sand and Shore Thermal Tote, okay? And since I just have it unzipped, I'm just going to show you the back first. So the back is a thermal. How cool is that? So it zips closed on the top. It's a thermal. And if you guys have watched any of my videos, we still have not drank this Hawaiian Punch, but I use it for my videos. It's just the perfect size. So just to show you a little size comparison, the Hawaiian Punch in this gallon jug fits in here. So super perfect for sizing. It zips up in there, or just kind of like a little drop in the bucket, a little can drink, a little yoo-hoo. It's literally like a drop in the bucket in here. All right, but this has leak lock lining in here, which means you can put ice directly in here and it will not leak out, okay? So you could put your drinks in the bottom, pour ice on top, then make your sandwiches for the beach or the pool, lay those on top, put some more ice, then maybe put your fruit on the top and you're good to go. Zip it up and you have a thermal in the back. Okay, but on the front is what's so awesome about this. So you guys can see, this is actually a mesh pocket right here. It's a mesh pocket. So you could put your sand toys in there. You got sand toys, put them in there, shake them out. If you have diving sticks, put those in there. And so this is just perfect for the beach or for the pool. And then at the end of the day at the beach or the pool, you can drink all your drinks, and after everything's gone, then you can unzip it, pour out the ice or the water that's left in there. And if you do change clothes before you head home, you can put your wet bathing suits in the back in this thermal. So this is the Sand and Shore Thermal Tote. It's going to come in the Starfish print. So if you did want it personalized, you can personalize with white, with let's see, turquoise. I've seen hot pink on there. It looks really good too. So this is the Sand and Shore Thermal Tote, and it's going to be on sale for $20. So you can get that matching towel. All right, and last but not least is the Sweet Spaces Decor. It's a little box. My light's kind of bright. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. And I should have had my little tape measure. Let me see if I can grab that right quick. A little tape measure. I meant to do that before I started, just to kind of give you a little size comparison. So this is 8 inches on the top. 8 inches. It's probably 8 by 8. But this is really, really great. I actually had this hanging in my office. So last year, one of my 31 BFFs gave this to me as a gift at conference last year. and it says I can and I will. But this can be personalized however you would like. So it comes in pink right here, and then whatever you personalize on here is going to be etched, laser etched into the wood, okay? So the top's gonna look like this, the back will look like this, and I have it hanging just by a nail on the wall over here in my office. So there's so many sayings that you could put on here, so many ideas. If you are a direct sales consultant, and maybe you're a director and you want to recognize your team for an awesome job that they've done, you can get them one of these. These are in the sale $15. You could personalize it with like an established, like they established their business maybe in 2013. So you could put established 2013, and then you could put top in sales for 2019 or however you'd like. It's just a great thing for so many things. So hang it in your office for inspirational saying. You could even just use it maybe in a windowsill or on a tabletop. There's so many uses for these. And I have a ton of pictures that I'm going to be posting of this in my VIP customer group. So if you do not have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your girl. I'd love for you to join my customer group. That way you can see all of the great things that I'm posting in the sale. So I hope that you've enjoyed seeing all this in person, in real life. And if you are looking for a 31 consultant, I would love to be your girl. I hope that you will join my customer group on Facebook. The link will be below. Or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way you do not miss any of my product videos. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to check out anything, I'll link it below to where you can click and see everything that's in the sale. The sale does start Thursday morning, July 18th at 8:31 a.m. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for allowing me to be your 31 consultant. See ya.